Ryan, 이쁜 짓. That's his cute face. Oh, don't eat your shoe. Ryan, 만세. Yay! That's Korean for I surrender. You want more? Okay. You want to eat? Oh, here you go. How about Ryan? You say boo? I say peekaboo. Peekaboo. Boo! How about hello? Uh-oh. Hello, good job. You talking on the phone? Uh-oh, now you don't want. Let me see, what else can you do? Oh, you're signing milk. What else can you do? 메롱. That's the Korean equivalent of nanny nanny boo boo. You want more? More. Good job. You say bye bye? Bye bye. Bye bye.